pardon me for asking or for pushing this issue a little bit further, but you mentioned a while ago that you're not going to give Lenny any position because Bongbong Marcos is your friend and his father used to be a cabinet.
Those
Your
are
father.
political alliances.
Yes, sir. But where is now the healing and reconciliation which you promised?
It need not come from an appointment for sure. That be silly.
But you said, sir, that your relationship with her is going to be just like ice?
Well, in the sense that I said, you know, hindi lang ang papa ko kaibigan. Let me just go back into time. At that time, lahat na as is the behavior of politicians. Yung presidente si Macapagal, everybody went to the Liberal Party. There were only 2 governors in Mindanao na nagpaiwan na nasyonalista. Governor Ibarre, pati tatay ko. So, nung nanalo sila, bit-bit ni Marcos ang tatay ko sa akin. And they had a long liaison sa political. Ngayon, ito si Bongbong, alam ko talaga, pati si Mrs. Marcos, alam ko talaga mag-Duterte. No doubt about it. Ako lang nakaalam noon na may there's a certain bond between me and Bongbong. Yan ang totoo dyan. Kaya nga, kita mo sa Ilocos, but in Bicol, not because, I will not appoint, you know, it's not because I won, I lost there that hindi ko i-appoint. When you win, hindi naman ako makapagtakbo na. It's a 1 term straight. I was only number 3. I was doing poorly sa Bicol. It was Mar, Binay, and number 4 nga ata ako. Sa 4 ako ang... So, yun ang ano niyan. I'm talking about political alliances. I'm not talking about vote or the Filipino people.
So, if it's not going to be through appointment, how then will you show your reconciliation or healing in terms
Wala
of
pang
dealing
kaming
with
reconciliation,
Lenny
ma'am, kasi
Robredo?
hindi man kami nag-away. Not even an exchange of, you know, yung tao na inadapt nila, the mad dog, Trillanes, yun ang nagdaldal para sa kanila, para kay Grace. Tapos eventually lumipat kay Mar ang buang. Hindi naman yun. It's bereft of scruples.
And besides, Mr. President, we respect you as a genius president. Do not, this is only personal, appoint Lenny Robredo in your cabinet because she is like an angel. She is like a devil, close like
Not an angel.
Because you must understand, during the last administration, Binay and Pinoy were friends. So he appointed Binay as the secretary of, what is this, no? Thinking that Binay will always be beholden to the president. At the last hour, he ran against the president. We would not like to imagine, Mr. President, that we, the people of Davao, you will appoint the likes of...
Sir?
Yes,
Sir,
Mr. President, I would just like to answer. I mean, to continue, because I suppose... So the question, Mr. President, are you really willing to appoint her in your cabinet?
There is no compelling reason for me to accommodate the Vice President. I'm sorry. I've said that I have to take into account not only yung ngayon na magkaiba ang partido namin, I said the political alliances between my family and the family of Bongbong. Right in the beginning, alam ko, baski na hindi ko siya kandidato, Duterte talaga sila. And it was Mrs. Marcos who insisted on it. Alam niya ang history.